Hi, Jake.
What would make you really happy?
Do you know you got a present from Auntie Gail?
Auntie, look at Jake.
Jake, come here. There's two big boxes for you.
Two boxes Aunt Gail sent you. Open it up.
What's in the boxes?
No, let me take that. Go ahead, open up. Look inside. What's in here? What is this? What's in here?
A walrus.
A
Walrus?
sea lion?
Oh, that
Or
is,
what
we don't know.
Let's find out what his name
I think a
is.
mongoose or something.
This is,
What else you got, Jake?
oh,
What's
it's
next?
A mongoose. Good job,
Mongoose,
Daddy.
thanks.
A bat.
Oh, that is a bat.
Wow.
What's next?
Eagle.
An eagle?
I don't think that's an eagle.
I think that's a fish.
A fish.
It is a
Look
fish.
at all of them.
There's so many.
Wow.
There's so
Look
many.
at this one. Who's that?
Is that an owl?
It's an owl.
Yeah.
Hey, Jake, look at me. Hey,
Show Daddy that one. Show him to Daddy.
A dog.
No.
no.
It's an elephant.
Yeah.
It is an elephant. Hey, Jake. Jake, can you look at me? Say, thanks, Aunt Gail.
Hey, Aunt Gail.
Look at Daddy and say, can you say it one more time? Thanks, Aunt Gail. Look at Daddy.
Thank you, Aunt Gail.
Okay.
That's all you're going to get, Aunt Gail.
Let's see.
Fire.
Oh, a spider.
Look at all these.
You could put them on the floor. You don't have to put them back
Do you know
in
what
there.
that is?
Oh, it's a stingray.
It's a stingray.
It is a stingray.
Say, wow, Aunt Gail.
It's not eagle. It's a fish.
That's right.
It
it's
is
not
a
an eagle.
fish.
Look at this one. We don't have that either. What's that?
A monkey.
No, you know. What's black
I'll
and
give you a
white?
hint. It says moo.
A cow.
Yeah.
It is a cow. Great job.
Look at
A
all.
bird.
Yeah.
A bird.
You have
It's a
so
turkey.
many.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
What's that?
A ladybug.
Oh, close. It's a bumblebee.
It's a bundle.
What does a bee say?
Buzz. Buzz.
Buzz, buzz. Okay. What's next?
Oh, we have.
A lizard.
A lizard.
Oh, what's that?
I'll give you a hint. It says nay.
A horse.
Yeah.
Good job.
And there's another horse.
2 horsies.
Oh my goodness. You have so many.
Say, I got.
Wizard. A stingray.
It is a stingray. Can you say, I got to go play?
I could play.
All right.
There's a
See you
whole nother
later.
box
Thanks,
right there.
Auntie Gail.